Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore how ChatGPT can help unlock your growth mindset and reveal mindful strategies for personal development. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can provide you with valuable insights and guidance as you navigate your journey towards growth. By tapping into its vast knowledge and resources, you can uncover new perspectives and innovative solutions to challenges that may have previously seemed insurmountable. One of the key ways ChatGPT can help you cultivate a growth mindset is by encouraging you to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Through its thoughtful prompts and suggestions, you can reframe setbacks as stepping stones towards success, rather than roadblocks that. Hey there! Welcome to our quick guide on achieving consistent success in machine learning. First tip: make sure to thoroughly understand the problem you are trying to solve before diving into the data. Taking the time to define the problem and set clear goals will help guide your machine learning process in the right direction. Next, don't be afraid to experiment with different algorithms and techniques. Machine learning is all about trial and error, so don't get discouraged if your first model doesn't perform as expected. Keep experimenting until you find the best solution for your problem. Remember, consistency is key in machine learning. Make sure to regularly update your models with new data and continuously monitor their performance. This will help ensure that your models stay accurate and relevant over time. So there you have it, 5 tips to help you achieve consistent success in machine learning. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop learning. You've got this. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Are you ready to confidently build your very own 3D printer? Follow these top tips to ensure a successful and stress-free project. First off, familiarize yourself with the components of your 3D printer kit. Lay out all the parts in an organized manner to make assembly a breeze. This will help you easily identify each piece and prevent any confusion during the building process. Next, take your time to carefully read through the instruction manual. Understanding each step and following the guidelines will help you. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you 5 mindset boosting tips for blockchain success. Tip number 1, stay curious. The world of blockchain is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay curious and keep learning. Whether it's reading articles, listening to podcasts, or attending conferences, always be on the lookout for new information. Tip number 2, embrace failure. Success in blockchain often comes with its fair share of setbacks. Instead of seeing failure as a roadblock, view it as a learning opportunity and a stepping stone towards success. Remember, success in blockchain is not just about technical skills, but also about having the right mindset. By staying curious, embracing failure, and staying persistent, you can achieve great things in this exciting industry. Uplifting ending sentence. So go out there, stay positive, and watch your blockchain dreams turn into reality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 ways to improve neural network performance rapidly. First off, it's important to optimize your neural network architecture. This means choosing the right number of layers, the appropriate activation functions, and finding the optimal learning rate. By fine-tuning these parameters, you can make your neural network more efficient and accurate. Next, consider implementing data augmentation techniques. By increasing the size of your training dataset through techniques like rotation, flipping, and scaling, you can improve the generalization and robustness of your model. This will help prevent overfitting and boost performance. Lastly, don't forget to regularly monitor and evaluate your model's performance. By analyzing metrics like accuracy, loss, and validation scores, you can identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to enhance the overall performance of your neural network. Remember, with these tips, you can rapidly improve the performance of your neural network and achieve better results in your machine learning projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on my channel. Uplifting ending sentence. Keep learning and experimenting, and you'll see your neural network performance soar to new heights.